This is my code for the conditional loops. The program is supposed to play a mini game, and it's supposed to have this sprite like move to a different place, random place, and then the user had to catch it with a mouse pointer. So first, when I click on the green flag, it will say booting up, and then say try to stop me with your mouse, and then it will repeat until it touches the mouse pointer. So during this time, it will move to a random place, and then it will glide to with 0.1 second to a random place. Let's see how this works. And then if I touch it with my mouse, it will stop. So my code uses a conditional loop to repeatedly check whether the sprite is touching the mouse or not. If it doesn't touch it, then it will move to a random place. As I said, it was right here, it will glide to random place by 0.1 seconds. And conditional loops are different from fixed repeats because they don't run a set of time. Like they don't run a set of number of time. And they keep on executing as long as a certain condition is true. So I can't use a fixed loop because the action of moving the sprite is to avoid the mouse pointer depends on the challenging condition of whether the sprite touches the pointer. So like since it needs a long time, it depends on the user's action to see how long it will take. Sometimes it might be longer, sometimes it might be shorter, just depending on user's action. Yeah, thank you.